The software engineering discipline demands constant learning. We're always doing something new, implementing a new feature, adopting a new library version, fixing a new bug. And inherent to the very concept of novelty is not knowing the new. So when you run into a new type you don't yet understand, the fastest way to take new to known is to see that code used in context. Say I'm in the middle of upgrading to a new version of Spring and want to better understand how its pooling HTTP client connection builder is used. I need only fill in the fully qualified name of the type, and the find types recipe running on the Moderne platform will find it for me even across hundreds of repositories. Thanks to the thorough type attribution of the lossless semantic tree format, recipes operate on even oblique references to the type that a regular expression or other textual search tool might miss. If the diff view is not expansive enough to fully explore the result, you can click on a line number to be taken directly to the file in source control. If your company has a Moderne tenant of your own, then you can run the recipe there to discover usages in your own corporate code. But if you were the trailblazer for your organization, there might not yet be any references to something new in your corporate code, and you might wish to search through open source to find examples. app.moderne.io is the public Moderne tenant available for anyone to run recipes like find types on over 30,000 open source projects. Recipes can be powerful tools not only for refactoring and improving code, but also for refactoring and improving our knowledge and skills.